Good morning, everybody. My name is Bharat Dhapodkar, and today I will be reviewing my watch. So, the name of this watch is Hunter Series Z automatic watch, which is from Siga Design. Siga Design is basically a Chinese company. So, let's talk about this watch. I bought this watch from the Ether store, which is located in VR Mall in Nagpur. So I got this watch for around 35,000 rupees. However, I went over there to buy the Seiko Kauchura watch. But when I saw this watch for the first time and I was knowing since that moment that I am going to buy this watch, then I skipped the plan of buying the Seiko Kauchura and I bought this watch instead. Watch Sika? So the original price of the watch was costing around 36,900 rupees, 37,000 rupees around. But then the store manager has applied some anniversary coupon and something, and then he gave me the watch for 35,000 rupees. So I got the watch for 35,000 rupees. And for 35,000 rupees, I must say that this watch is a complete steal. This watch grabs the attention of anybody. Like anybody, you go anywhere, and if somebody sees this watch, they will not think of this watch as some ordinary or some normal watch. They will definitely ask you questions about this watch. That especially the transparent thing. This watch is having the transparent glass. This watch is basically see-through. See, I'll show you. This watch is basically see-through. See. So even my tattoo is visible from inside the watch. I'll show you. See. And exactly that is what gets the attention regarding this watch. So if you are somebody who likes attention and who does not want to spend a lot, so this watch is definitely for you. Though this watch is not very easily available in the stores, and then you have to exercise to find this watch in stores as well as online. Most of the time it is out of stock only. And my luck was that I got this color as well. This watch has so many colors: black, grey, so many more. Maybe I am short of knowledge for that, but I got this color. I am loving this color. Let's talk about the comfort of this watch. So when I got this watch was very huge. This watch was huge, as in it was having more links. I reduced around 4 links, and now the watch fits me comfortably. I am habituated of wearing the watch in my right hand. So while doing this kind of movement, this does not restrict the movement. The comfort is very good. The watch is not very heavy. The watch does not poke my hand. The watch is not very sharp, does not have very sharp edges. The comfort is very good. Overall, if I would have to rate this watch, I would give this watch a rating of 8 of 10, just because the watch being an extreme value for money and its uniqueness. See, what happened is, I am very fond of watches. So what happens is, I am very fond of watches. So whenever I go to the mall, even to eat ice cream, I go to the watch store. I'm getting a call. Hang on. So whenever I go to the mall to even eat ice cream, I go to the watch store to see that what all watches are there in the store and what is my next watch to buy. In total, till today, I have around 14 watches. And this is one of the watch I prefer to wear daily. Daily as in when I go to my office, when I go to my work, like not to gym or something. So if I had to rate this watch, so I would rate this watch 8 out of 10 for its comfort, its value for money and its uniqueness. That's all for the day. See you next time.